everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't done this in way over a year, but I was super excited about the July box from Boxy Charm that they sent over to me. The July base box is here to bring your deepest fantasies to life. Dive into discover full-size favorites, perfect for a beachy beauty and making mermaid waves. Seize the day with your July box. So we're going to open the box that Boxy Charm gifted me right here. We got some good products up in here. So let's see. The first thing I have is the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser with Papaya. It's an oil-free cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, impurities caused by pollution. This soap-free pH-balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish the skin hydrations. And this retails for the price of $28, which already pays for the box itself, since Boxy Charm's base box is 25 bucks. The next thing I got from here is the Dermalect retinol cream. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Come on. There we go. It is a Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. Dermalect Outcrease successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. The formula features 3 tremendously effective formulas of retinol actives in a concentrated micro-encapsuled delivery system. And this retails for $39. It's not bad. Let's look at the packaging of this one. Okay, so it's just a little dropper system. Cool. Cool. Totally forgot to pull the pharmacy one out. See if I can get this open without damaging the box. Ooh, nice. I like it. The next thing we have is the Generation Skin Hydrating Eye Patches. I've heard these are really cool. What does it do? The marine algae is straight from the sea skincare that savor defensive vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essentials fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firm, smooth, and plump and brighten like nothing else. Used for a dewier, fresh-like looking appearance. This retails for $50 in store. Let's see if I can get it open for you to see. Okay, there we go. Ooh, I love the packaging. It's blue. It's really pretty. It says the same thing it does on the box. Looks like, let's see, comes with a little tool to dig them out with, and is sealed. It kind of looks like, let's see if I can do it without spilling out this. Yep. Alrighty, let's get this back on there. Get that sealed back up. The next thing on the list is the M2U Makeup Blending Sponge. Sponges, actually, it's a sponge set. The packaging is so cute. You got a little panda on the packaging, a unicorn, a cool raccoon, and a rabbit. And I think they're just the cutest little thing for sponging packaging. I like seeing characters on my sponge packaging. I know it's not on the sponge, but it's no big deal to me. It's actually kind of feels really nice. Let's see what it is. It's collection of 4 super soft, they're latex-free 3D makeup blending sponges in a variety of shapes to help you achieve the exact look you've been dreaming of. No need to worry about splotches, foundation lines, and creasing, and this set retails for $20 in store. And these things are so cute. And last but not least, I got the $1 billion brow pencil. Micro brow pencil, yeah. The micro pencil. When precision matters, this brow on point micro brow pencil will help get the look you want. This precise brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want and create hair-like strokes for a natural looking eyebrow. And this retails for $16. Now Boxy Charm did send me the shade taupe, so it's not me. I am like a very dark brown, almost black. So definitely is not a shade I will be using, but this is very thin. I think it's thinner than the ABH one, to be honest. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, interesting. I will have to give it a try on my sister to see how it looks, because this shade is just a little too light for me. Let's see what my box came out to be in total. So my box retails altogether for over $150 worth of value. And all you have to pay for is $25 for a box that has a value over $150. That is pretty darn amazing, and I highly recommend you all to go check out this subscription box. For $25 a month you can get 5 products in their base box. So, and they're full size. They're never minis or samples. They are full sized products. Once again, I do have to thank Boxy Charm for sending this to me. I really appreciate it, and I hope you all stick around for maybe, just maybe, another video later this week. So we'll see if I can get back into the groove of things of doing this if this kind of pans out for me. Y'all have a good day.